That's live from Castle Wilson Pants. This is your T5th Reich. No, I've advanced about a year, maybe a year and a half. Which means we do have two cruisers and three corvettes, which is about a quarter of what we need before we continue expanding. But do have a new tech, so it's time to start. Time to start working on upgrades. Let's get the obvious things out of the way. Otherwise, we do have we are building a spaceport on Krendor. First step towards building a proper base. Rhea is probably going to get another spaceport right away. The Munchkin system, we got a couple of very good planets. Look at this. Look at this. From manned mining colony, 4.4. That's beautiful. Kansas, 3.1. Nothing, but it's full correndium. So, yeah, a little excited there. Renamed Munchkin 4 to Jotan. Don't know if we'll colonize it. It's 4.8. Just barely on the zone where you would colonize it. This one here is 3.8. That might be that's a marginal colony. What are these two like? Nothing exciting. Titanium, which I don't think we need, and boronite, which we probably don't need. Still no response on left bridge. But we got stuff to do in that. So let's just keep rolling. Still a little angry at the aliens, but they don't seem to be causing us any real trouble right now. So, and again, we need the basic nav K-frame prototype. Okay. So we got the easy stuff done. Which means we can do something. Slave transport. Okay, that's interesting. Strange that would be there. It's our fortress. Terraformer. There we are. New ship. Graph Speed class. Usually I just call it a Gaia, but there, obsolete component. Okay. Terraforming module. We want 5 of those. I think we can get 5. Let's see, what else do we want? We got basic sensors. We fit a couple of close-in weapon systems. I think that's good. So we'll lock that. That is good. Okay, we'll lock that. And when I said we couldn't afford the terraformers, what I really meant is we don't have the tronium, but we do have a fairly good supply coming in right now. We just need to start retooling for the, I don't know, graph speed terraformer. Probably could have saved the name, but whatever. We are researching. What are we researching? Okay. Yeah, right. That is almost right. What's our situation? IO, we could probably fit a few more mines. 36. Could definitely get another space trucker. Where are you? Nope, you're used. Let's grab another mass driver, dropping up an IO. That's the catch with the cascade system. You tend to over. Okay, fuel production done. Industry, fuel production. Don't need to push it too hard. What else do we want? Something cheap. We're gonna grab the orbiting mining module. I don't think we'll use it, but it's only 5,000, so we'll use that. Really tempted to get another freighter. Let's go and super freighter, Titan, copy class, update armor. Did he get it? Okay. Basic nav, basic ESM. Go ahead and switch to new engines. Slightly more fuel efficient. Okay, I can obsolete that one. And it just jumped around. Obsolete that one. Obsolete that one. 19. 20 would be better, but can we fit 20 on? No, we can't. Oh, hang on. We might be able to get 20 on. No, we can't. We can't fit 20. So drop that, drop that. It's good. Okay. 1.8 to 1.5. Not pretty, but it'll work. Rename class. See Sky King. Shipyards. Let's check our minerals. We are burning quite a bit. Do not have a load on. Okay. Yeah. Let's do that. Do that. Check. One thing we can do is we can scrap the Admiral Hipper. I've been kind of putting that off just in case we would find a use for it, but no, it's too old. It's tried and it's done. Motherfucker. Okay. Okay. Formation templates. New. Light mech reserve. Ghost Light Mech Brigade. Because I'm just drunk enough that I can't really rev. Okay. Just drunk enough that I can't think straight. Engineer. I'm gonna put two engineer vehicles just for. I guess that helps with digging in. Hang on a second. We do have. Oh, hang on. We got two. you got two versions here. So I did not realize okay, my mistake. I'll obsolete that and figure everything out later. Okay, I'm gonna have to dump some stuff. Okay, 7,000. Edit them out. Drop that to 300, I guess. Drop that to 12. What else can we drop? Drop that to 30. Up that slightly. Okay. Still pretty big. Drop that to 24. Still at 5. Okay. Still at 500. Okay. Still at 5,020. Okay. What else can I drop? Drop that to 20, I guess. Still need to drop more dudes. Okay. Okay, so we can add that to... Okay. Okay, a little autistic here, but that's what I do. Okay. So this unit is a little stronger than our local garrison. It's still not terribly heavy. We need to start building space tracker completed orders. Share completed orders. These searches done. Next turn. Civilian construction. Civilian mining colony. Light mech unit trained. Mineral exhausted. Okay. Overhaul complete. So we're just turtling on now on explorers. Enclose is done. Orders complete. Okay. Rhea needs. Could use some dudes. Sky Titan 2. Going to grab 5 construction. Drop it off in Rhea. So we got 2 major systems, 2 minor systems. Panic mode is done. I think the next thing I need to take a look at the missile fire control. 43. Resolution 20. This is our last tech to upgrade. Drop it down to that. Needs to be, I can drop it to 0.6, I think. That should be good. That should be definitely good. Throw Mark 2, 43. Still 43? Still 43. And punch it. Trident. Okay. Anything else new that's coming in? No. Shipyards, building freighter. We are not building. Okay. Still retooling for that. Check geranium. We're good for that. Automated. Yes, everything's good. Shipyard modified. Let's take a quick look here. Up you to 1. Up slate. Everything looks good. Spaceport 68. Everything looks good. The iridium's a little low. What's that? Where is that? Oslo has iridium. Okay, that's good. We're good there. Very nice planet. Unit train, local garrison. Trident is done. Okay. MK. Just grab railgun velocity. I don't think we'll use it too often, but okay, that's done. That's done. Okay, we can update our ships. Copy design. Update armor. That's 75 tons there. Okay, DD search 1, enclosed panic mode. DD search 2, enclosed 2, panic mode 2. Swap that out. Swap out the engines for more fuel efficient ones. That's really only the difference there. Means I can drop 1 standard. How much are you? You are size 300 tons, so I could barely fit you in. Okay, engineering's fuel space. Swap out to new lasers. Do I need a new fire control? Wrong clicky. Lasers. Yeah, I do need a new fire control. Okay. It's good. Okay. Again, it's like a very small amount here, but it's just enough to matter. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in. Next turn. Terraforming rate is done. Colony cost. Oh, still grab terraforming. Is a cheaper tech. Okay, industry. 509 shipyards. We're retooling the Sky King, retooling the Graf Spee. Okay, everything's good. Mining, we got 2,900 there. Okay, let's set this up properly. Next turn. Retirement production, auto mine's done. Okay. Oslo, I think, is we definitely want to get some more mines in Oslo. So Tiefin, Yesinger. Two mines, 30 infrastructure, and do that twice. Next turn. Beam fire control is done. Let's go back to our designs. Okay, beam fire control. Okay, so can I add anything here that's worthwhile? Already got small, already got medium. Don't think there's anything I can add that's gonna matter. Troop transport be fun. Very small, 100 tons. Small might be useful, but it's not gonna work. Add an engineering space. Add a fuel. That's no. That right? Is that gonna be okay? Yes. Yes. Okay. 2 engines. 109 fuel. Basic windshield. Yes. Okay, that's acceptable. We'll go with that. Don't plan on making it a major production, but can we? No, we have to retool. Uh, why would you copy? Okay. Nope. 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 Delete class. I think that's right. Everything's switched out. Yeah, that's okay. Hey, this is a low priority class, but just kind of bulking out our fleet. Okay, which brings us to our next option here. Copy class, update armor. We got a lot of components to switch out here. First, we'll do the whole sensor suite. Swap out the engines. Do we need fuel? Can drop to, we need drop you, drop you, drop you. No. 100 days of fuel, that's my standard. Drop the lasers, switch those out to new ones. Okay, that's next is the magazines. The lights, okay. 6 magazines. Target missile fire control. That's a pretty huge jump. 6 missile launchers. Can I fit another one? I can. Okay, that's interesting. Almost perfect mix there. Okay, that's set. That's set. Ordnance and fighters. Let's go ahead and actually extract 5 more missiles. Class design, class design. Select name. Do something groovy. Oh yeah, we're doing that. Goddamn right. I think that looks right. Can't see any mistakes. Yeah, let's rock and roll. Can we build a gun? No, we got to retool. I'm okay with that. Okay, mining. Yeah, that's good. We'll go ahead and rock and roll with that. Sky King. How do we do? Well, want 2 of them for sure. Might scrap one of our older freighters. Next turn. Next turn. Mineral shortage, neutronium. Okay. Space Tracker needs to make a run for it. Go pick up some goodies. Got a little greedy there, but greed is good. And actually, how much stuff do we have on? There's enough worth grabbing. So go ahead and send the Admiral Sphere out there. Get some work on that old ship. Let's go grab some minerals. Unload, load, and you know the drill. Everything over to Earth. Remember to unload the minerals, because that can screw you up later. Next turn. Sky Titan is done. Do we have any auto mines set up? We have 50. Let's use them. Sky Titan 3. Put an even 100 on Duvenbacher. Next turn. Change down terrain, mineral shortage. Okay, whatever. Overall, Governor Luna. Yeah, it's annoying, but I mean, we got people on it. Orbital mining module's done. 50 Gradia. Okay, I'm gonna grab research rate. Kind of the metagames thing, but whatever. Read it. 100. Still got some room there. Yeah, the funny thing, we actually need more mass drivers. So tag 5 in queue there. Sky Titan 2. Okay, do it that way. Okay, we got some stuff. We got some minerals back. Docker is done. Shipyard is done. Just do a one mine some infrastructure to Kansas. Trying to just kind of spread out our assets. I'm not too excited about this, but whatever. You don't want to pile everything on one world. And it just seems like this is a more natural way for a space empire to expand, I guess. That's kind of my thinking. Sky Titan 3. Okay. Got 10 mines there. And mineral shortage again. Could grab another 400 from. Got the ships, got the ports. Might as well do it. Drop a tracking station on Crendor. Load minerals. Drop it off at Earth. Okay. Next turn, Sky Titan 2 is done. Still no. Oh, hello! I missed this. 25 installations, tech level 2. Not too exciting, but we got our dudes. Okay, so low ground unit. 1. Get all the construction teams. Grab a light mech brigade, and grab a laser battery just because. Nope, that's the wrong planet. Halfberg to left bridge. Unload all, and come home. Let's grab a couple more light mech brigades. So not a big find on left bridge, but it's anything is anything. So take what we can get. Sky Titan 2. Hoff. Just move some basic stuff there. Use the ship. Grab whatever minerals there is. It won't be much, but I don't care. Next turn. Sky Titan 1. Sky Titan 1. Grab, load, mines. Then, and dump it on that comet there. Next turn. Production started. Ordnance transfer system. Not particularly exciting, but Arc module will be nice. Ship just for utility. I don't think we'll be using too much tugs or anything in this episode, but let's go ahead and do that. Anything sitting in orbit? No, nothing useful. Train, not mineral shortage. Production started, mass drivers, reduction to railgun. Okay. Just get that out of the way. Something cheap. Next turn. Nothing. Next turn. Nothing. Next turn. Space trucker's done. Where did they drop off? Dropped off about 700. Okay. You have 4 mass drivers. You have 4 mass drivers. You have 3 mass drivers, so we need to fix that. Free abandoned maintenance facilities. Useful. We will eventually use them. Space trucker. Do I want to use anything for you? No. 89 alien artifacts. Okay. Production mass driver. much do I? How do I have? How was it auto mines? Grab five more labs. Not particularly exciting, but no shortage more. Okay. Automated mine found. Puncture is back. Supply production of left. Okay. You were at 50% done. Worker shortage. Okay. Mineral shortage again. We have 500 there. We can go ahead and grab that. Grab infrastructure. Yeah, neutronium crunch is kind of could be in our style right now. One lab, basic unit, heavy vehicle. Ground combat. Grab a drop base. I don't know if we gain. That's the assault transport. Not likely to be using them, but we have available workers. Admiral Scheer is sitting there doing nothing. Let's go ahead and move 5 mines. Sky Titan 2 is done. 27 auto mines. Drop off a Doofenbacher. And I'll see you guys around.